Welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going through 1077 Loma Portal Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story house built in 1985 with 3,026 square feet and nearly 3/4 acre lot that has beautiful panoramic views here in Cuyamaca neighborhood of El Cajon 92020. This house is in the Flying Hills Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Cajon Valley Middle School and West Hills High School. Hey, my name's Jesse Morrison, and I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so that you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below where you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, now let's get into it. All right, so here we are outside. Just look at how large this driveway is. You got room for 3 cars here, and check out the landscaping. It's got beautiful, lush, mature landscaping throughout. The grass there is artificial turf, actually. And then as you're walking up to the entry, you're great with these big double doors, making it a grand entry. And then when you walk in, you're immediately greeted with these really tall ceilings. A big living space. The vaulted ceilings extend over here. There's lots of natural light that comes pouring through the windows. Look how big the formal dining area is. It is so large. I don't even know how long that is. You got central heat and air, and all the ducting throughout the house. Upstairs are the 3 bedrooms, and along the side of this house on the first story is another bedroom, which we'll get to later. I wanted to show you out here in the windows. They all take advantage of these beautiful views, which we'll get to in detail a little bit later, but you can see the lighting has been upgraded throughout the house as well. Look at how much counter space you have up here. Big, huge kitchen area, lots of space to work. Look at the details of the granite here, granite counters. These cabinets, there's tons of cabinet space. They might need to be upgraded, but they are real wood. Like you have the microwave and the stove over here. This is an electric stovetop. And then, here, I want to show you this big bay view area for like herbs and stuff, all taking advantage of the southern views, eastern views out towards the mountains. Again, look at how big this dining space is, and the formal living room out that direction as well. Okay, that is a gas fireplace. You can see by that right there, the little gas starter area. But look at the views out south here. All the windows, we'll get outside here a little bit later in the video, but I just wanted to show you what you're looking at from every part of this house. Let's go check out the bedroom that's on the first floor, because that's super important, right? Here's the bedroom. Most people want a bedroom and a bathroom on the first floor if they're going to have a 2-story house. So this one's good size. That is either a full or queen size bed. It also has views south from this room, and here it has access to its own bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom. It's got a good size vanity in there and a stand-up shower. All right, and you can also access that bathroom from this hallway. See right here, and you can get it there from the main living space. This is your laundry area. You have a wash sink. You have your washer and dryer. You got tons of cabinets and counter space there for holding laundry. And then out here is your 3-car garage with all 3 bays. I'll just pan around here so that you can see how large it is. You have your HVAC over here and your washer and dryer. Sorry, not your washer and dryer, but your water heater. Here's your washer and dryer, right? But as you're leaving the garage, so you're coming in from the garage, I should say, this would be your route to get to the house, right? You'd come in through the laundry and you'd enter your main living space here. Okay, so next what I want to do is show you what is upstairs, right? We're gonna start off going to the master bedroom, but you have the master here, and then on this side you have 1, 2 bedrooms, and then the bathroom that services that. So we'll get to that in just a second, but I want to show you the master first. You have a big walk-in closet over here, huge bedroom, and around this corner here is the master bathroom. So let's go check that out real quick. So as you enter into the master bathroom, again, you got these huge views from the windows. A tub, you got 2 vanity, double vanity, you got a stand-up shower, you got a bidet and a toilet. But look at the size of this room again. So that that bed is a king size bed, just to give you perspective of how large that room is. And coming in this closet, look how much space you have in the closet. It's deep, it extends all the way down to the other side of the room. There's tons of space in here. All right, now let's go out here. I want to show you how when you open up these doors, each of these rooms have their own little balcony you can step out onto, and again, just take advantage of the views, right? All right, so closing these doors, imagine how much more bright this would be if you had more windows on these doors. Sliding glass doors, or maybe French doors there with more windows on them. This bedroom here is, quite large as well, and these doors are the same, right? Look at how this closet extends all the way from one side of the room to the other. But look at, when we open this, it has a very similar view as the master that we just came from, right? In its own little balcony. Over there is a cul-de-sac, a little sitting area. If you can see over here, that where I'm pointing is the property line. It goes all the way to those fences. I'm not sure if you can see them from there. And it extends all the way up and around, all the way to the front street there. Again, I'll point that out a little bit later. I just kind of want to show you what we're looking at from here. Leaving this room, I'll go ahead and show you the bathroom real quick that services these 2 bedrooms on this side. So that bedroom and this bedroom. This is the bathroom that services. You got two sinks in here. It's open, it's bright. And that's it. You got a little tub. Well, that's it for that bathroom. You got your cabinets for your towels and your laundry or your sheets and that kind of stuff. And this room is a good size as well. This room's unique though. What I like about that is, here, let's open up these doors. The patio here, the balcony here is enormous. Look at how big it is. It goes over the entire garage, right? That 3-car garage below. Not the entire, but a large part of it. It also has all these views. And here's the side yard. See that gate right there? Here, let me walk over here. So you could park like an RV here, or at least bring maybe a boat up in here. Look, so look at how open this street is. There's no neighbors in front of you. There's plenty of street parking. You have your 3 parking spots, and right here is where you could put the RV, I guess. The roof, let me point out the roof to you. The roof it has these concrete tiles. Let me show them to you a little bit closer. So these are concrete, so they'll last a long time. And look, there's drains on the patio, or sorry, the balcony, to keep the place nice and dry. And that's it for the bedrooms upstairs. So let's go ahead and make our way. Here's the carpet is upstairs. That probably would be nice to replace. But let's make our way back downstairs and out to the backyard. Before we do that, look at the front doors. See the woodwork here? All the detail throughout this house. You know, it's getting a little bit older. It's a little bit dated. Maybe you might want to upgrade a lot of this stuff, but the quality of workmanship here is very nice. Big heavy doors, and you got this nice cover back patio. Great place to just, again, soak in these views. Or out here with the fire pit. This is where you'd be looking if you're sitting here, right? That's southeast towards the mountains. Again, the grass is turf, so very low maintenance on the grass at least. What you're going to do with this huge lot, but more sitting areas to take advantage of the views. Everything takes advantage of views. You can watch the kids playing in the yard, or here's what you're seeing from the back of the house. So one thing I want to point out to you is come around the side of the house. Keep your eye on the ground here. There's concrete that keeps it nice and clean. The fences are made out of vinyl. But when you have concrete around the side of the house, look at this sitting area here. Everything, it keeps the water away, and so it just naturally keeps things clean and nicer. That is, so over here, that's where the garage is and where you'd park that RV. If you can see the white fence over there, and then that chain link where I'm pointing all the way coming down, that's all the property line. Goes all the way down to that street and then follows the chain link fence up on the other side. And see how this yard is kind of terraced out? That's to take advantage of, you know, keeping the water by the trees. They have a lot of these fruit trees throughout. But that's pretty much the house. It's very beautiful. Hope you like it. Okay, thank you so much for touring 1077 Loma Portal Drive with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just use that link in the description below to book your free call directly on my calendar so that we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.